All right, now to our continuing focus on the devastating tragedy that's unfolding in Malin, about 100 kilometers from Pune. 26 more bodies were recovered by rescue workers, taking the toll to 70. More than 100 people are still believed to be trapped under the debris left behind by a landslide that flattened the village on Wednesday. Sources now claim that the tragedy is perhaps man-made. Here's a special report.
With the death toll in Pune already having crossed 70, questions are being raised on whether this was a natural disaster or a man-made one. Headlines Today did a reality check on questions being raised about the cause of this landslide.
I'm standing on the same hill. This is the location from where the landslide took place. This is the village which is affected, the Malin village. The rescue operation is still going on. There are JCBs, there are ambulances, there is police also, there are police vans also. The rescue operation is going on. This is the third day. We can see the depth of this entire hill, and this is the exact location from where the landslide took place.
Our correspondent spoke to some villagers to find out what they think is the cause of the landslides.
वहीं से पानी रुकने के कारण 2 दिन पहले से ही वहाँ घरों में पानी निकलना चालू हो गया था, लेकिन वो लोग ये बात समझ नहीं पाए, इसलिए ये हादसा हो गया। माटी की जो परीक्षा होनी चाहिए थी सरकार की तरफ से वो हुई नहीं। यहाँ की जो मिट्टी है वो ज़्यादा फिसलन वाली है, इसलिए वो सरक गई।
The political class has also given credence to the theory.
ये भूल नहीं मानेंगे हम इसको।
ये लैंडस्लाइड क्यों हुई है, इसके पीछे क्या कारण है, मैं समझता हूं कि इस संबंध में कुछ भी कहना इस समय वो जल्दबाजी होगी। इस संबंध में जो जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे के लोग हैं वो लोग जांच पड़ताल के बाद जिस नतीजे पर पहुंचेंगे वही कहना उचित होगा।
2008 में मैंने स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को और कलेक्टर को लेटर लिखा था कि उस एरिया में पहाड़ में दरारें आ रही है। वो लेटर मैंने 2008 जनवरी को लिखा था। उसके बाद 2012 में रिमाइंड किया था। 2013 में भी मैंने रिमाइंड किया था कलेक्टर को, लेकिन कलेक्टर या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने उसके ऊपर कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया। आज आप नतीजा देख रहे हैं।
आज भी कैबिनेट में डिस्कस हुआ है कि अगर ये इसकी वजह से अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो ये स्कीम ही बंद करनी चाहिए, ऐसा भी सरकार का विचार चालू है।
With Amrita Shetge in Malin, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
All right, let's get a word from our correspondent Amrita Shetge, who's joining us live from Dibme Gaon early this morning. Good morning, Amrita. What's the status of rescue work today?
Simi, this is the 4th day of rescue operation, and the NDRF Jawan, the disaster control management team, and also the local police are working day and night here. The death toll is now 73 and almost 20 people are injured in this, but still more than 100 people are trapped inside the mud and debris. But now the bodies are decomposed totally, so even the relatives are not able to identify the bodies, and all the bodies have taken to the one place in that village, and all the bodies are being buried. Their relatives are performing the last rites, but this is entirely a very shocking incident, and condition in that location is very bad. This is the 4th day. Continuous raining is there, and that is still hampering the entire rescue operation. Still 100 bodies are trapped inside. Many houses are destroyed. The people who were there, they have almost left that village. They are saying that this is a very dangerous place to live now, but entirely almost after 4 days, NDRF is saying that we will still need more 2 days to complete this operation. Relatives are not able to identify the bodies. Police is saying that the other villages from the nearby area, they are coming there, and so crowd is increasing, but that is infection pro area because there are many dead bodies. The bad smell is coming in that entire area, so police is saying that people should not come to that village. It is the connection to that entire part, to that entire location is very less. Also the roads are very narrow, so these are the difficulties in entire rescue operation, and so NDRF is saying that more 2 to 3 days we need to complete the entire operation. Back to you.
Right, so 2 to 3 days more needed to complete rescue operations. A devastating tragedy unfolding there. Amrita, thanks so much for that update.